In this video, I'm going to attempt to navigate WGSN. So I'm just at WGSN's website, and I'm going to look for some images. Perhaps I'll start with women. I'm going to hover over the link, and these different categories come up. So we can do research. There's an image library. That might be a great place to go. I also like street style a lot as well. And there's always catwalk gallery too. So if you want to look for images from runway or street style, or who knows what's in here, probably tons of stuff for image and design library. I suppose I'll just click it and see what happens. Alright, I am entering the image and design library. Let's narrow this down. I picked product. I'll choose apparel. Let's look under our jackets. There's all kinds of different jackets you might be interested in. Coats as well. So there's so much, there's a lot of images. So if you kind of know specifically what you're looking for, that's helpful for this search. I'll check trench coat. You can check more than one as well. I could have checked all of them if I wanted. And then here's a whole bunch of images that have to do with trench coats. And then you can see where they're from too. So you can make sure that they are relevant and relevant to your brand. What designer, what season. And this is just a great place to do research and look at different types of coats to hopefully inspire you. I'm going to go back to another search. Let's try street style this time. Okay, we're in street style. Let's choose category. So we have here apparel. Maybe some outerwear would be good for this assignment. Okay. Looks like these are some reports, some video reports. Okay, so we found 6 results for videos. Let's see here. Alrighty. That didn't really pan out the way I wanted it to. Let's try the other one. So women, research, catwalks gallery. So this is helpful if you follow a specific designer. Here is a company, I've always liked jackets. I don't know if they're in business anymore though. Let's see. Sorry. That's okay. Yeah. No, they're not listed. Okay. Let's go back here. Let's try Trendly. Apparel. Okay. So they have a couple reports about jean jackets and trench coats. So this is current trends. That might be good to look at. All these reports are going to outline certain trends that are happening and include photos as well. So I hope this helps you navigate a little bit in WGSN for your research. Good luck.